In this video, we'll introduce FileZilla and FileZilla Pro knowledge base and explain how to use it. We have built a knowledge base to shorten the learning curve and help you learn quickly how to get the job done. In the Getting Started section, you'll find articles to learn the basics about FileZilla and FileZilla Pro, starting from how to install it. We drive you through the whole process with step-by-step instructions and detailed screenshots. You can learn quickly how to connect to a server and start to transfer files. You can acquire also advanced skills, like how to set the number of simultaneous connections to use, or how to set up your SFTP connection. There is a section dedicated to cloud protocol, a growing list of FAQ, and a troubleshooting section. We hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and we look forward to improve our knowledge base thanks to your feedback and input. FileZilla Pro is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Amazon EC2, Backblaze B2, WebDAV, and SharePoint. Are your website files ready to go? Time to get your copy of FileZilla Pro. Go to FileZillaPro.com and buy it with confidence. See you at the next video of the FileZilla Pro series.